This city of Houston and this state of Texas and this country of the United States was not built by those who waited and rested and wished to look behind them. This country was conquered by those who move forward, and so will space. Now, the exploration of space will go ahead whether we join in it or not, because it is one of the great adventures of all time. And no nation which expects to be the leader of other nations can expect to stay behind in this race for space, because the eyes of the world look to space and the moon and the planets beyond. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Or why 35 years ago fly the Atlantic? Or why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things not because they are easy, but because they are hard, because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skill, because that challenge is one that we're unwilling to postpone and one that we intend to win. Now, many years ago, the great explorer George Mallory, who was to die on Mount Everest, was asked why he wanted to climb it. He said, because it is there. Well, space is there, and we're going to climb it, and the moon and the planets are there, and new hopes for knowledge and peace are there. And therefore, as we set sail, we ask God's blessing on the most hazardous and dangerous and greatest adventure on which man has ever embarked. Thank you.